So in this video, we will try to render the various values which we are getting into this category options array. And for rendering this information, we will use this for each directive of LWC. So as you can see on screen, there is a heading called render list. So in order to render a list of items, we can use a for each directive or a iterator directive to iterate over an array. So in order to iterate over an array, we can use for each or iterator. And in the iterator directive, we have the two special properties, first and last properties, that let you apply special behaviors to the first and last item in an array. But currently, we don't want to apply any special behavior to the first and last item in an array. That is why we are going with the for each directive. Now let's scroll down and understand how to use this for each directive. When using the for each directives, we have to use this for item, current item to access the current item. Also, we have to assign a key to the first element. As you know, here it is saying we have to assign a key as well. And here one example is given. This example iterates over an array called context, which is defined into the components JavaScript class. So first of all, see the components array. As you can see here, here is an array containing the ID, name and title of some contacts. And here you can see the template tag is used, and inside it they are using this for each directive. Here they have passed the array which was defined into this JavaScript, and then they have used for item, and then they have given some name, and after that they are able to access the properties of that array. So let's go to our JavaScript Visual Studio Code. So we have created this category options. Now let's go to HTML. We don't require these as of now, so we'll remove it. And what I will do is, as they have said, we have to use this we have to use this template. Let's use the template here. Template, then for each tag, and inside it curly brackets. We don't require this, so we write the name, category, options. Make sure the name which you have written into the JavaScript and in HTML should be same. And as you can see, I need to write for item, and here like we are iterating our category, that is why I will write here this category. Now we'll close this tag and create a div tag for div, and as it has said, we have to use the key, and key should be unique. In our case, we are getting all the unique values, so I can use the category as our key, and inside it I can like just render the category. So let's render the category. Now let's deploy this code to our Salesforce org. It's taking time to deploy. Once it is deployed, we will go to our browser and confirm the changes. So let's go to our browser. Currently tweet ideas is displayed here, but we just removed this part of the code. The h1 tag we removed. So let's see if the changes are reflected. So as you can see, all the 5 values which we are fetching using the UIObjectInfoAPI, we are able to filter out this information into category options array. And after that, we have used the for each directive of LWC and able to render these 5 values into the screen. Now in the next video, what we will do is like we will do some styling. First of all, we will make this background as white and try to, first of all we will make the background white, and after that we will try to like show them in a vertical list with these cool effects, as you can see. So we will do this in the next video. Thank you very much.